Brian back here with a look at Cody. All right, we're going to do a Cody price prediction at the end of this video. It's not really a prediction, it's using the Fibonacci, okay, which the Fibonacci is pretty accurate at getting price targets. Very accurate. If you're not familiar with the Fibonacci tool, please get acquainted with one, especially if you're trading or, looking for sell targets or pullback areas or anything like that. All right. The thing is very, very handy. Almost every single trader, I can pretty much guarantee every single trader out there uses the Fib tool. All right, so let's take a look at Cody here and see what's going on recently with this thing. All right, the bull run here, this thing is typically, all right, we have made it up to, I believe, a 382 as far as a retracement area on this thing. Right up to, haven't even made it up to a 618 yet, okay, up at 44 cents. This thing had an all-time high, 69 cents the last bull run. If we come over here to CoinMarketCap, come down here through, right down here, it'll show our all-time high, 68 cents. All right, so we're down 76% from that all-time high on October 31st of 2021 on Halloween. Down 76%. Okay, the all-time low, boy, be nice to get it at that price again. We're at 0.006. You could have really stacked up on some Cody, and I'm sure a lot of you people out there did. That was back in 2019. All right, I got into crypto just shortly after that. It's been one heck of a run, that's for sure. 2 billion total supply. That is fantastic. That's super low. All right. To give you an idea, Cardano has roughly 30 billion. I think 50 billion max. XRP has 100 billion max. So 2 billion is a pretty low number for crypto. All right, you have 78.6% of the circulating supply out there, about 1.5 billion coins, all right, out of 2 billion. So we're ranked number 278 with a $252.8 million market cap. All right, so this has to do a 4x just to get to $1 billion. You can see this thing going pretty decent this run. I'm going to show you that here shortly. Let's take a look at the chart itself and see what's going on. And if I could ask you to please hit the like and subscribe if you like videos like this, I would very much appreciate that so much. So let's take a look here and see what's been going on in this bull run. All right, first off, you obviously had a break of this resistance right through here. All right, which got us this break up here. Now the trend-based fib, if we put the trend-based fib on here and go from our low to our high to our retracement, all right, that gave it a target about 23.7, went up to right around 27 cents. All right, trend-based fib, another fantastic tool. All right, if you're not familiar with this stuff, guys, I have a level 3 membership with 22 videos, over 9 hours of videos to teach how to use all these tools. Look for price targets, pullback areas, how to use TradingView, how to set up TradingView, how to leverage trade, all of that stuff. All right, and you get a link to our Discord membership where we're over there posting trades every day. All right, got a lot of great people, 199 members. All right, so thank you so very much. Excuse me, I appreciate that more than you guys know. Excuse me, geez, allergy time, getting that time of year, and just took my allergy pill, so I apologize for that. Now we have ran up, all right, from the low here. Cody is up, about a 3.5x. Okay, now if we zoom in a little bit closer here, let's go on a weekly. After you do 5 waves up, you have an ABC correction command. All right, if we go in on a 12-hour chart, I'm sure we can see this a little bit better through here. There we go. All right, you can you can see the wave count a lot better. All right, you had 5 waves up in here, and you had an ABC correction right through here. An ABC typically marks the bottom. This thing overextended just a little bit here. Okay, ended up coming down, pulling back right to about 14.9. All right, ended up this wick right here. Probably, with leverage trading, you get stop hunts. That's probably what that was right there. I don't typically use them when I do my charting. Sometimes you do, sometimes you don't, but you'll get these ridiculous wicks sometimes. So what I would expect here from Cody, all right, if we look at the RSIs, we have the 12-hour extremely oversold down to 39. All right, that's pretty far down there. We got the daily at a 40, just turned bullish, 7.5 and a 5. All right, expecting a bounce from this area. On the 3-day, we are right bullish on 1.5 and a 0.85. If your blue number over here is bigger than your orange, you're bullish, okay? If the orange is bigger than the blue, you're bearish. All right, so there on the daily and the 3-day, this thing has flipped back bullish. I would expect a start of a new run up here. Expect that to be the low right there at 14.9. And the start of a new run up. Now, where could this next run head to? Well, let's take a look. Let's put back out on a daily chart here. Okay, that's actually on a weekly, a little bit easier to get an area here. Okay, you'd be up to the 618 or 702. Should be our next area of that we should be heading to, up to 45 to what is that? Can't really see that number in there. Let's zoom in a little bit. 45 to 50 cents, right around there. That's the 618 and 702. I would expect it to start another 5-wave run up this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then we'll see what happens after that, after we get up to this area. If we bust through that area, you got 55 cents, and then of course you'll be taking on the all-time high again. So Cody has a long ways to go with this bull market. All right, 382. We're just starting to get into the retracement levels from back in 2021. All right, now a target for Cody. For a bull run price, you would take your fib and put it on top, pull it to the bottom, right about there, right up around $2.83. All right, could this go higher? Absolutely. FOMO kicks in and everything else. This thing could absolutely go a lot higher with 2 billion total supply. That's pretty impressive. All right, that's about a 16x from here, 17, call it, 17x. All right, 2 billion tokens. I would not be surprised at all if it blows through this $2.83. Heads up towards 7, 8, $10. I would not doubt that for a second. You get FOMO kicking in, and it can blow right through this. But this thing works, okay? I want to show you something here real quick. Well, let's just leave that there. Let me show you how well this Fibonacci works. All right, I'm going to go to Bitcoin, just because I've done it on Bitcoin a million times. All right, let's pull Bitcoin down here. And please consider becoming a member, guys. Trust me, you will definitely learn a lot. You need to know price targets to look for in a bull run here. And you definitely get your $15 worth, all right? The only reason I only charge $15, small YouTuber, just under 5,000 subs. I need to generate some kind of income here, for doing these videos, and I love doing them. And the members we have over in Discord, mostly same people every day. They're really good traders, a lot of them. Noted Trader, Razzle, numerous Miner Boy, just numerous people over there that are there every single day. All right, some really good guys. Now, if we go back here in 2017 with Bitcoin, all right, we take the fib. We're looking for a target for 2021 bull run. Right, we go from the swing low to the swing high. Pull it up just a hair. It gave a target of 73. All right, it ended up going up to 69,000 bucks. All right, right up there. You can see it actually has hit that 73 now. The 4.236, which I find kind of interesting. Right there. Isn't that something? Right on it, nailed it, right to the head. 2 years later, October 2021 to 2023, over 2 years. Over 2 years later, it finally nailed that full extension here, that 4.236. Now, for Bitcoin, for this bull run, if you're looking for a price target for it, this thing just works great. I love it. All right, it's getting Bitcoin right up around 240,000 bucks. Anywhere from 210 to 240. So over 200 grand for Bitcoin. All right, and it is just it's actually back testing the previous all-time high now. That 69,000 here. It actually should be about down there. You can see the red retest here. So, 242,000 bucks. This thing absolutely works. Okay, if you go off of, let me see if it worked out down through here. Yeah, not really. Not so much for stuff like that, but it's a good idea. To definitely use it. 618 and a 702, guys, is your areas where you normally, if you break through that 618 and 702 area right here, the blue and the green, if you break through them too, that's when you get your big massive runs. Okay, so Cody is just getting warmed up. It's got a long ways to go. Around $2 and $0.90, $3. Don't be shocked, if it overextends this. There's no question in my mind. With 2 billion coins, like I said, I wouldn't be shocked. $7, $8, $10. That would not shock me a bit. Of course, who knows? It might hit the 287, and this fib might nail it dead on. It's amazing how this thing works. And trust me, once you get to learn how to use it, you'll see what I mean. Even with pullbacks, all right, you normally get the 618, 702 for a pullback. That's what they call the golden pocket. If this ran up here, you were looking for a pullback area for this move here. All right, look at where it had the most reaction to here. All right, right around that 702, this green here. All right, and of course we got to bounce up. Ended up getting rejected. If you flip this over, okay, you got your bounce. Now you're watching for how high it could go here. Look, it got rejected up here to 702, and it rolled over. All right, so that's what I mean. If you can break through this area right through here, that 618, 702, if you can clear through that, that's when you get your big runs. All right, so thank you very much, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit like and subscribe, and I will be back with you very soon. Have a great day, everybody.